Today is April 5th. It is a Thursday, 10:27 a.m. Welcome to another crypto-centric broadcast. Let's take a look at the markets. Well, today we are going to take a look at the markets, but this could be more from a psychological standpoint, maybe a sociological standpoint. When you look at news bulletins in any types of prediction markets, whether it's cryptocurrency, the indexes, whatever it may be, just realize that news bulletins mean absolutely nothing. Okay? It's called hype and it's called fear. Now, when you're looking at my screen right now, I want to talk about some fake news. Yeah, some fake news dropped by CNBC. Logically speaking, this is completely fake. Facebook shares jump after Zuckerberg says data scandal has blah, 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 blah. Now, that is a completely illogical statement and fictional statement. Facebook shares jump after Zuckerberg says this. No, they jumped because they decreased about 10% in the last 2 weeks. So what happens when a stock goes down 10%? It corrects back to its median. Duh. So when CNBC is throwing fear of a data scandal involving Russia into the American public's eye or any corporation, just realize it's complete BS. So if CNBC is feeding you BS on that, maybe you should probably question all the other news bulletins they feed you. About time someone drops the fake news bomb on them. Anyways, continuing. This is also affects the cryptocurrency markets. Why did Litecoin's price spike yesterday? Why did it spike? Probably because a whale put a buy order at a certain price and it filled. And then it spiked. And then he shorted it. I mean, duh. There's no reason to analyze through the media, okay? You don't need to be an investor that analyzes through media bulletins. What you should be doing is collecting company data or analysis of the current market cycles, okay? That's why the term cycle is coming. We're going through a market cycle. The indexes are crashing coexistently with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is like this, okay? I've been involved in the cryptocurrency space for about 3 years, 2.5 years to 3 years, okay? And this is what I noticed happened. This is exactly what happened. Here you have the demand, or you have the supply and the demand. Okay? Supply, demand. Before cryptocurrency boomed, there was a limited supply. There was probably a top 100 to 200 coins. You know, first tier coins, second tier coins, third tier coins, whatever. Limited supply. Then, as blockchain technology and the price of Bitcoin started to skyrocket, the demand skyrocketed with it, okay? So the demand way surpassed the supply. Here's the amount of coins you got right here. Here's the demand. Skyrocketed. So the price skyrocketed. But what happens once blockchain goes viral and now people see more money in the incentive of fundraising and ICOs and things? Then the supply starts to catch up to demand, right? Pretty soon, the supply exceeds the demand because there's more money in crowdfunding than there is in the speculative aspect. It's better to be a dev than it is to be an investor at some point or be involved in any development project. Then, once the supply passes the demand, you get falling prices. That pushes the demand even further and further lower while ICOs continue to fundraise. So now the supply is skyrocketing as the demand continues to go down. What do you get? You get a bunch of noobs losing money. That's what you get. So when you look at this, what's the big message here? Media destroys you. That is the message. Whether it's financially, emotionally, psychologically, it destroys you. It is the devil. I say devil and people tend to run, but that's the truth. It is the truth. I bring the truth. Fake news. CNBC. Fake news. Trump tweeting at Amazon saying that that's why their price is going down. fake news. First of all, the SEC should be sitting at knocking at Trump's front door saying, what the hell are you doing tweeting about a corporate? What are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be involved in politics? Oh wait, he's a businessman who doesn't know shit about politics. And he took a lot of acting classes. That's another thing people don't realize. As a reality TV show person, do you know the process they go through? They take acting classes. If you're telling me Trump has never taken an acting class once in his life and made it on television, I would question your thought process. So now you have someone who's pretty good at acting in front of a camera, being on a reality TV show, okay, in front, leading our nation, being an actor, being a liar, being a phony. Why? Because he made billions of dollars? Because he's a well-connected elite? God, it's just, what people don't realize is right now something very big is about to happen. You're seeing it across the marketplaces, okay? You're seeing a lot of uncertainty in the indexes. You're seeing a lot of uncertainty in the crypto markets. We're already seeing the early stages of a recession right now, possibly a depression, as we enter further into 2018. You have a lot of people who lost money in the crypto markets already. Majority of people lost money in the crypto markets. Not the 1%, the 99%. The 1% made out off the 99%, which is the natural way of things. And that is the natural way of things. It's not capitalism. It's natural human instinct. People are naturally followers. 99% of people are followers. 1% are leaders. Okay? And even within that 1%, they follow the 0.1%, which ain't no good either, because they're a little bit too far on the other side of the spectrum. Do your due diligence. Use your intelligence, okay, when making decisions with your money. Don't do it carelessly. Because what happens when an entire society does that carelessly? All of the money gets drained to the 1%, then the 99% doesn't have any money to do business with each other. They don't even have money to buy Sue's baked goods or hire Joe as a tradesman to fix their floors or to do their tiles or to remodel their homes because they gambled it away. Now Joe and Sue don't have money because you wanted to be greedy. That's the world we live in. Well, that's all I have to say today. Hopefully, I don't know. I only know so much. But I'm also, a little heavy-headed. It tends to swell up real big and all that. But what I'm saying is this is my frustration to, any outlet I may provide. So what I'm saying is be vigilant, okay? Be on your toes all the time. Always be sizing things up. Question the world you live in. Question the fictional BS between media, Netflix, your whatever, okay? It's all crap. If you want to support this channel, be sure to subscribe at moneytronics.com to support our sponsors. Huge help, huge help. So that's all I got to say today. And also realize that nothing in this video is reflective of moneytronics.com. Peace.